Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to send Solana from Phantom to MetaMask. So for this purpose, first you need to launch Phantom Wallet on your mobile device. Then just open Phantom Wallet on your mobile phone and just log into your account. Once you have done with this, then this page will pop up on your screen. Here you can see some different coins. In these coins, you can also see the option of Solana. But for sending Solana from Phantom to MetaMask, you need to tap on this send option. Then this page will pop up on your screen. Here you can see the option of Solana. Click on it. For sending Solana, you need to select Solana. Then this page will pop up where you need to enter username or address. So for finding username or address, you need to open MetaMask mobile application. Then just log into your account. Then in MetaMask, make sure BNB Smart Chain is selected as a mainnet. If it's not selected on your side, then click on this arrow and this page will pop up. Here you need to click on BNB Smart Chain. Then at the bottom, you can see this up and down arrows. Tap on it. Then this page will pop up. Here you can see the button of receive. Just click on it. Once you click on this receive button, then this type of page will pop up. Here you can see QR code and you can see address. You just need to copy it. You can also scan this QR code, but here I just copy this address. Once done, just go back to your Phantom wallet and paste that address which you have copied. Then at the bottom you have this next button, just click on it. Once you click on next, you can see Solana start sending from Phantom to MetaMask. This way you can send Solana from Phantom wallet to MetaMask. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.